Greetings YouTubers, I'm posting this video because I was not careful and I dropped JBL Xtreme. For any of you that have dropped your JBL Xtreme yet you still are able to get a picture of that illuminating, saying that you're getting a charge. However, the buttons on top don't light up, specifically referring to those. Then on YouTube, and you can go ahead and access those to see how to disassemble, take out the cover, take out the speakers, and what have you. And you'll find that once you take out the speakers, there is a strip inside that connects the lighting. That's the strip right. As you reconnect that, you'll get the power back right on top. And then you'll be able to access the functions that you thought you had previously lost forever. For hours, so don't let up, don't give up, don't give in. Just take it apart, put it back together. You can do it.